Hi, good morning. My name is Greg Matthews. I'm one of the analysts here with Stocks Trading Room. Today we're going to be going over the advantages of trading stocks over Forex. So when we decide to start trading, we have to have some type of game plan. For instance, let's say we buy something and it only rises a little bit. Then we only profit a little bit, right? And if we sell something, vice versa, and it falls just a little bit, then we only profit a little bit. We got to think, is this going to really be paying our bills? Is it worth the time that we're investing into trading? What is our trading goal? What are our trading goals? One thing is profit, right? Okay, so here we enter the trade here. Okay, and it rises nicely. We make a nice amount of profit. That's great. You know what's better than making a nice amount of profit? Making even more profit and also doing it consistently. Let's talk about how to do that. Making more profit and looking to do that more consistently. Well, first of all, you need movement with a capital M, as we talked about before, right? Because if something only falls just a little bit and you sell it, then you only made a little bit of profit. You need movement with a capital M, and then you'll on average make more money. Okay, so let's take a look where the movement is. Where is there more movement on a daily basis? In the currency markets or more in the stock markets? Let's take a look. Here on the left we have data from the currency markets. You'll notice that the largest movers of the day was the dollar against the South African rand, negative 1% movement for the day, as opposed to the dollar against the Mexican peso, which moved also about 1% for the day positive. Let's compare that to the stock markets. Here we have data from the S&P 500, some components of the S&P 500. The largest mover, and this is data from July 20th, 2017, the largest mover of the day was Kinder Morgan, moving about 5% for the day, which is about 5%, 5 times more than the dollar against the Mexican peso move for that day. And the most negative mover for the day was Alliance Data Systems, which moved about negative 10% for the day. Again, 10 times the amount of movement in the negative direction as the dollar against the rand. Okay, so clearly on a daily basis, we have, at least on July 20th, much more movement in the stock markets. But put me to the test. Try another date. Try another year. See if I'm right. On average, you're going to be finding way more movement per day in the stock markets compared to Forex markets. Okay? And remember, in order to profit more, you need movement with a capital M, which we find here on the right with the stocks. Okay, we talked about daily data. What about long-term trades? What about investments? Maybe holding on to these trades for a year, on average, you can make more money. Let's take a look. Alright, so here we have some yearly data up until July 21st, 2017. So New Zealand dollar against US dollar was the largest mover for the year so far at about 6.5%, as opposed to the dollar against the rand, which fell by about negative 10%. Let's compare this FX, this Forex data, to some stock data. So we have here Xerox and Monster Beverage. Xerox increasing in value by 357% for the year. Monster Beverage decreasing in value by negative 67% for the year. So we have a way more movement in the stock markets. Yes, of course, you have stock splits and things like this, but putting the stock splits on the side, on average, apples to apples, you're going to be having way more movement in the stock markets per day, per month, and per year compared to the Forex markets. And remember, in order to profit more, you need movement with a capital M. Okay, well, there's a popular argument made by a lot of Forex brokers that there's more leverage in Forex trading. So leverage can help me profit more. That's true. But you know what? Leverage can also work against you. So you have to be careful. I would definitely recommend starting with stocks as a beginner especially. So just to recap, we saw way more movement on average in the stock markets per month, per day, per year compared to currency or Forex markets. And remember, our goals, more profit and to do it consistently as well. So this concludes our presentation on advantages of trading stocks over Forex. Reach out to us at contact@stockstradingroom.com. My name is Greg Matthews. I'm one of the analysts here with the company. We have live webinars, one-on-one we can provide you. We have group webinars that you can attend. You can attend our live trading rooms so that you can watch us trade live. Reach out to us at stockstradingroom.com. Have a great day.